Did you lower the volume or anything?
How we doing, Wyatt? What's up, man? Chris, how we doing? Chris Breezy in the house.
Oh my god.
Give everyone a second to get in here. What's up, Killer? Got 5 Absolute on deck.
Killer Lou joined?
Mike Fonte, how we doing? Wayne, what's up? All right, give everyone a second to load on in here. Got a full house for tonight. All teams, all 32 have sold tonight. Show our teams off once right quick. Give everyone another second. Sports Finder, Marty, what is up? What is up? All right, guys, so we got 5 Absolute Blasters tonight. 1 guaranteed auto or memorabilia. We've popped 9 of them. Got 9 memorabilias. So the search for the auto continues. Listen, we got to let the people know what's real. If you love an Absolute, come back Saturday or no, Sunday?
Sunday.
Yes, Sunday. We'll be opening 4 more Absolute mega boxes.
Big opening.
And tomorrow, Mosaic is back again. We are popping 10 more hanger boxes. Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm going to show the teams off again, and we'll get rolling. What up, gang? You will notice New York Box Breaks is in a different top secret location. We travel with ease, cover the tri-state, always on the move. All right, let's get it rolling, guys. What's up, RSJJ? What's up, Ant Live? How we doing? Alrighty. 8 packs per box, 1 guaranteed mem or auto. And I ain't gonna spoil them. I'm gonna try my best. Let's get rolling. Good luck, everyone. We got Austin Eckler, Leandro, how we doing? Kenny Galladay, Josh Allen, Darrington Evans, Green, rookie, nice. Green rookie to start. We got Jared Pinkney, DeAndre Swift. Let me hold that a little up. Get rid of that glare. Michael Pittman Jr. and Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. All right. All right.
That was the first pack?
Yeah, we got a garbage.
Yeah, right.
Beautiful. Yeah, Wyatt, everything ships. We got all teams sold. You heard Target and White Plains had a restock today on ETB Champions Path. I know they did because I was there to buy 10 of them. I'm a very happy man right now. Adam Thielen, Le'Veon Bell, Larry Fitz, where is really annoying. Jalen Hurts, intros for the Eagles, nice. Tyler Johnson, rookie. Jalen Johnson, rookie. Brandon Ayuk for the Niners. Upside down. Donovan Peoples-Jones, Peoples champ. All right. Solid rookies so far. Got a QB. Green Darrington Evans. Not too bad. From just weeks of experience and dedicating most of my afternoon to going to Target and just being there when it restocks. So White Plains has been a pretty consistent noon to like 1:30, 2 o'clock. My partner's looking at me like that's top secret information, but we're for the people. We are for the people. I will see you at Target, people. I said my partner. I didn't say his name. Green George Kittle.
My name's Rothel.
Thaddeus Moss, rookie. Jermichael Hasty, rookie. Anton Winfield Jr. Joshua Kelly for the Chargers. Got that Herbert pending.
I like that Hasty.
Jamichael Hasty. All right. Nice green Kittle, too. Garbage open. No problem. I am always a man of the people. I love meeting new people who are literally just, their whole life is just went down the tubes like mine for trading cards, and we can have a great conversation while we wait like 2 hours for a restock. It's just amazing. Am I going to open any on IG Live? I'm probably going to sit on them for a while, but when I do give in and open all of the stuff I have, which is a lot, I'm definitely going to do it either on IG Live for the channel, on our YouTube channel when we get that more set up. But yeah, I got a lot of Champions Path, a lot of Hidden Fates tins. Tyler Lockett, Unsung Heroes. We got Damon Arnett, Marlon Davidson, Grant Delpit. There he is, the man. Tua Tag of Iloa. Clean looking card. Not much on that. For the Finns, very nice. All right. 4 packs left. Halfway through, we got no mem or rookie so far, or auto. So let's see. We got Deshaun Jackson, Dak Prescott, Denzel Mims, Mem for the Jets.
Ooh.
Rookie materials.
Ooh.
And if you couldn't tell, the buyer of the Jets is to my left. Leonard Fournette, red zone. We got rookie Javon Kinlaw. Nippy, they restock. It's kind of daily, but you don't know what's in the boxes until they're popped. And this week, Desmond Patman, T. Higgins. This week there was not one on Tuesday, Wednesday. There was today. Big restock today. Last week there was a pretty consistent flow from Monday to Friday. I'm not sure about weekends though. As for Mount Vernon Target and the one on Lafayette Ave, those are another story. Those are no good. Yeah, I mean, we put in the work to box break, and that's pretty much the business right now, but I do want to rip all that Pokemon too, and when I get a come up on Mosaic or stuff, it's, you know, it's hard to keep it all for the business, but we've been doing it so far. We've been good. All right, a couple rookies there. Fantasy Flashback, Steve Young. What's up, Anthony? Big pulls. We pulled a Tua, pulled a Denzel Mims memorabilia for the first pack.
Pulled the
Couple others.
Jalen's.
Intros, Jalen. Pulled a Ruggs, T. Higgins. Nothing too crazy. James Prochet. Anthony McFarland Jr., rookie. Josh Uche, rookie. Dalton Keene. 2 pats in a row. Nice. All right. All right. Let's get a couple of these guys up here. Mr. Tua. Mr. Jalen. All right. 2 packs left. Blaster number 1. Corner's playing with me. Alrighty. We've got Frank Clark, C.J. Mosley, Devontae Adams, green Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers, nice. Steven Montez, rookie. Gabriel Davis, rookie. Trevon Diggs, rookie. And Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs.
Helaire.
Regular rookie. Okay. Couple rookies here. All right, last pack, blaster number 1. Absolute is an absolute workout on the arms with all these packs and cards. All right. We got Khalil Mack, Keenan Allen, Todd Gurley. Nice stargazing Aaron Rodgers for the Pack. Got Kyle Duggar, Devin Duvernay, Ross Blacklock, and James Morgan rookie for the Jets. Alrighty. Just keep stacking rookies over there. I'm going to keep all the base over here. All right. The search for the kaboom continues. The search for the actual autograph card that it lists first as the one on average. Just to tease you. Continues. Yeah, Nippy. Basically, like it's really pretty simple. Just like whatever you like want to sell, I would search on eBay as specific as possible. Like find out what set the card's from, the year, if it has a number on it. Like for Pokemon, they all have a number of the set, and I'm pretty sure all sports do too. And then just check the sold listings. You could set it to recent, the ones that sell most recently too. But besides eBay, I don't really determine a market value off much else. Mar Jackson, Flippy, Jimmy G, Big Ben, Jeff Okuda, can't stop there, Green, rookie, for Detroit, KJ Osborne, Tommy Stevens, nice, Jason Huntley, Antonio Gandy Golden for Washington.
That guy has so many cards. Candy Golden. Candy Golden.
Yeah, I confuse him with Antonio Gibson, too.
You pull a lot, Jeremy.
He pulls so many Gandy Goldens, it's true. But he's pretty, I mean, card's common. Pretty common. All right. We got Rob Gronk, AJ Green, Darius Slayton, introductions, Brandon Ayuk for the Niners, got Jared Pinkley, DeAndre Swift, Michael Pittman Jr., and another Ruggs for the Raiders. All right. Pack number 3. All right, where's that Joey B? Where's that Justin H? There's a Joey B. Not the one we're looking for. Jarrett Stidham. No show. Aaron Rodgers. Green. Kenny Galladay for Detroit. Pretty sure it's back-to-back greens for Detroit. Tyler Johnson, rookie. Jalen Johnson, rookie. These guys are coming back-to-back a lot. Brandon Ayuk. And another People's Champ. Donovan Peoples-Jones for Cleveland. Okay. We got Kirk Cousins, Sam Darnold, Zeke. Oh, that's Mark Cooper. Oops. Unsung Heroes, Curtis Samuel, Carolina, Thaddeus Moss, Jermichael Hasty, Anton Winfield Jr., and Joshua Kelly. That might be a repeat pack. Might be the same printing thing happening right now. All right. J49ers, what up? What's up, Brett? How we doing? Alrighty. Halfway through pack number 4, we got Derrick Henry, Matthew Stafford, Ooh, Brian Edwards. Rookie materials patch for Vegas. Nice. Red zone, DJ Chark. For rookies, we got Damon Arnett, Marlon Davidson, Grant Delpit, and another Tua Tagovailoa for the Dolphins. All right, let's organize a little bit here. Okay. All right, 3 packs left. Blaster number 2. So we are 2 for 2 on mems. No kabooms, no autos. 3 blasters left. Still got faith. Still got faith. All right. Julio Jones. Dwayne Haskins. Frank Clark looking like a green. Oh, that's a number. Number 83. No, let's see. See if I can get that close. That's 63. Nope, that's 83.
Out of 149.
God, I just don't know. Let me get this close on. Yep, that's 83 out of 149. Frank Clark. That's a pretty card. Nice. There is a number pull from Absolute, finally. We got Warren Moon, Fantasy Flashback. Expected that to be green. Javon Kinlaw. Michael Pirine for the Jets. Desmond Patman. And T. Higgins. Solid pack, solid pack. Let's heat things up. Come on. All right. Let's see what we got here. Get that Frank Clark sleeve to put Mr. 2 up there. Let's get Frank front and center. Boom. Nice. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Put that Clyde up too. Alright. Full house. Let's keep it going. 2 packs left. Blaster number 2. We got a numbered pull now. Things may be heating up. Alright. We got Carson Wentz. Stephon Diggs. Kyler Murray. Green, Josh Allen for the Buffalo Bills. This is our second week of box breaks. Yeah. Mm-hmm. This is box break number 12 for the business. James Prochet. We're knocking them out every day. Anthony McFarland. Josh Ooch. And Dalton Keene. All right, so I'm definitely noticing it. I don't know if you guys are, but these back 4 rookies keep repeating. So I hope we get some repeat backs for some guaranteed Burrows and Herberts. But, hey, Dolphins ain't complaining right now with those repeats. There's nothing we can do about that, obviously. That's Panini printing, sadly. Christian McCaffrey, David Johnson, DK Metcalf, Stargazing, Dalvin Cook, Steven Montez, Gabriel Davis, Javon Diggs, and another Clyde. So KC ain't complaining either with those predetermined rookies. All right. Blaster number 2, complete. Let's go from the right. Move Mr. Clyde over. All right. Blaster number 3. Let's get it. If there are a couple teams unsold, which are usually like the least desirable teams at the bottom of the lot, we're building up like a slow cache of the occasional Jaguar, Texan, Bear, Pat, stuff like that. But there's nothing too crazy we have that went unsold at all. We're definitely collectors at heart too, but we have to contain ourselves, so that we don't open everything for the business. Kirk Cousins. What do we got there? Deebo Samuel, Saquon Barkley, John Hightower, green rookie, Eagles, Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Oh, there's the first pop of our friend Albert O. Won't give his last name a try. Jordan Love, Nicole McDonald. All right, so look out for another Albert O. He is the Jordan Love caller. He will bring your love, guaranteed. Let's get these. Alrighty. Let's get, yeah, we're good right there. All right. Pack number 2. Yep. Pack number 2, blaster number 3. Let's keep rolling. Sam Darnold. Derrick Henry. Julian Edelman. Intros, Jalen Hurts. Laviska Shenault. Zach Moss. Other Bills rookie. Joe Burrow. There he is. Regular Joey B. And Chase Claypool. Nice back 2 there. Okay. All right. So we got 2 of the big 3. 3 of the big 4. Those Eagles were... It was Jalen Hurts, and we just sleeved them up Jalen Reagor.
And a John Hightower.
And a John Hightower, yeah. Let's see. Here's, got Jalen. Second one of the intros, Jalen over there. Green John Hightower. See if you can see that green. There we go. All right. Keep going. We got Julio Jones, Gardner Minshew, Bobby Wagner, green Deshaun Jackson, another Eagle. There we go. Eagles are flying. Gillivan Chison. Hope we got that right. Derek Brown, Quintez Cephas, Jalen Hurts, regular rookie. Eagles are flying out. Okay. Got 5 packs left. No mem or auto yet. Damn, that Frank Clark is tough. I wish you guys could see like the shine of it. Just there you go. There you go. Sparkles a little for you. All right. Dwayne Haskins, Carson Wentz, Chris Godwin, Unsung Heroes, Tyler Lockett, A.J. Dillon, Jonathan Taylor, nice, Cole Kmet, and Jacob Eason. All right, so a bunch of rookies we hadn't hit yet. Cool. 4 packs left, halfway there. Throw some trash away. We got Christian McCaffrey, Tyreek Hill, J.K. Dobbins, rookie force patch for Baltimore. There's a solid pull. Damn, man, if only we could just get an auto. Leonard Fournette, red zone. Yatir Gross-Matos, Jerry Jeudy, C.D. Lamb, K.J. Hamler for Denver. Nice Dobbins patch there. Get those rookies over. All right. All right, definitely the best patch we pulled so far. Three packs left in this box. We got two more. So we got the number. Can we sniff out a kaboom? We got David Johnson, Darren Waller, Minka Fitzpatrick, Fantasy Flashback Steve Young, 41 points in the Super Bowl, Denzel Mims rookie, Quez Watkins rookie, Jake Luton rookie, and A.J. Terrell rookie. All right. Two packs left. Blaster number 3. Let's finish strong. We got Jared Goff, Devontae Parker, Stephon Gilmore, green Teddy Bridgewater, Carolina, John Hightower rookie. This guy's name is no I. Not even going to give it a try. J.K. Dobbins rookie. And Xavier McKinney, rookie for the Giants. Got that Dobbins rookie, Dobbins patch combo. Very nice, very nice. All right, one more pack. Blaster number 3. All right. Got Austin Eckler, Adam Thielen, Josh Allen for the Jags, another stargazing Aaron Rodgers for the Pack, rookie Jeremy Chin, Carolina, Cam Akers, LA, Keyshawn Vaughn for the Bucks, and DJ Dallas for Seattle. All right, 3 blasters down, 2 to go. We are through the halfway point. 2 more chances at an auto of any sort, or a K-boom, Let's get Mr. Joey B up here. Take down one of the 2s. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, I haven't got this yet. Oh, I did. Okay. All right, 16 packs left. 2 mems or autos, but most likely mems, sadly. Let's get it. Good luck, everyone. All right. We have got Travis Kelce, Jared Stidham, rookie force, Justin Jefferson patch for Minnesota. It's a nice one. Cool. Stargazing, DeAndre Hopkins, Raekwon Davis. Let's bring it a little closer. Jalen Reagor, Alberto, and another Jordan Love. As I said, Alberto is the guardian of Jordan Love. Remember him. All right. Cool. All right, so we hit the mem on the first pack. 7 more. We've got Anthony Miller, Mike Gesicki, Devontae Adams. Oh, boy. Number Devontae Adams. Numbers are flying out of these. 46 out of 149. Beautiful. That's a nice one. Intros, Devin Duvernay, Cole McDonald, rookie, LaVisca, Zach Moss, and Joe Burrow. Knew he was coming. Damn, man, why can't we get some repeat Justin Herbers for our Chargers, man? It's a damn shame right now. Let's get that Devontae sleeved up. Bring him up on. Those numbered cards are pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. They look real tough. Diecast, how we doing? We got Michael Thomas, Aaron Rodgers, Amari Cooper, green, Russell Wilson, nice. Chase Claypool, rookie. Kevon Chaisson, rookie. Derek Brown, and Quintez Cephas. Okay. 6 packs, 5 packs. 5 packs left. Last to number 4. 3 and 4 have given us one numbered card each. Pretty solid, pretty solid. We opened 9 Absolute Blasters last week, 2 separate times. Got no numbers.
No, we got 1.
Oh, yeah, we got it from the Mega Box, that 1 of 1.
Yeah. No,
I'm saying
we
for
got Darrington Evans, numbered 1.
Oh, yeah.
I think that was one blaster.
That was tough. Baker Mayfield, Lamar Jackson, Matthew Stafford, Unsung Heroes, Mike Williams. For the Chargers, we got Jalen Hurts, rookie, A.J. Dillon, Jonathan Taylor. Who was next after this? Trying to remember. Cole Kmet. That was who it was. These repeat rookies really, they take a little bit of the fun out of this, but just ain't nothing to do about it. The rich get richer when you have the repeats. Rob Gronk, Stephon Diggs, Kyler Murray, A.J. Epinesa, green, rookie for the Bills, nice. Jacob Eason, Yetur Gross-Matos, Jerry Jeudy, and C.D. Lamb for Dallas. All right. Get these rookies organized. Nice. All right, 3 packs left, 3 packs. Let's finish strong. Oop. All right. We got A.J. Green, Joey Bosa, DK Metcalf, Red Zone, Kyler Murray, rookie K.J. Hamler, rookie Denzel Mims, rookie Quez Watkins, and rookie Jake Luton, Jags. 2 packs, 2 packs. So to remind you guys, we got the 4 absolute mega boxes coming on Sunday. Most likely going to be around 7:30, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern. And these have 1 guaranteed rookie autograph and 1 guaranteed mem. And still the chance at the Kaboom, I believe, right?
Yep.
No, it doesn't say it on the box. Oh, no, there it is. Yeah. Look for that ultra rare Kaboom. And then look for retail exclusive red parallels and autographs out of the Mega. All right. It's a good thing I'm holding a Kaboom in my hand. Positive thinking. Kirk Cousins. Phillip Rivers. George Kittle. Green T.Y. Hilton for Indy. Rookie A.J. Terrell. John Hightower, rookie. Noah I, rookie. And J.K. Dobbins, Baltimore. Okay. Last pack of blaster number 4. We got 1 box left. Okay. We got Sam Darnold, Derrick Henry, Big Ben. Oh, that's Juju. Fantasy flashback, Tom Brady, to the Pats, Week 6, 2009, with 39 points. Got Xavier McKinney, Jeremy Chin, Cam Akers, Keyshawn Vaughn. All right, guys, we got one more blaster box left. Let's get into it. Last one. 8 more packs on deck. Yes, we will. Let's get him up there right now. Take down Mr. Jalen. I get the right shine on these guys. How's that look? Yeah. There we go. A little bit of shine on that. All right. Matt Fran, how you doing, buddy? We got 8 packs left on deck. Hoping for an auto. Not a man, but now I say that. First pack's always a man.
I'll take a Herbert mem.
We will take a Herbert mem. Chargers got to eat, especially. Christian McCaffrey, Aaron Rodgers, Amari Cooper, Justin Jefferson, Green rookie. Nice. We got Cole Kmet, Jacob Eason, Yetur Gross Matos, and a Jerry Judy. Denver. Okay. Seven packs. All right. We got David Johnson, Darren Waller, Matthew Stafford, intros Antonio Gibson for the Redskins, for the Washington football team, CeeDee Lamb, KJ Hamler, Denzel Mims, Jake Luton. Glutton for some Luton. All right. 6 packs. Got Jared Goff, Stephon Diggs, Kyler Murray, Green, Todd Gurley, Quez Watkins rookie, AJ Terrell, John Hightower, and Noah I rookie for the Finns. Okay. 5 packs left. Kaboom, where you at? Where you at, Kaboom? You've got Austin Eckler, Adam Thielen, upside down, DK Metcalf, unsung heroes, Mark Andrews, J.K. Dobbins, rookie, Xavier McKinney, Jeremy Chin, and Cam Akers, LA Rams. Okay, 4 packs left, still yet to hit a mem or an auto. We got Ryan Tannehill, Von Miller. We got a Zach Moss. Is it a green? It is a numbered rookie, Zach Moss. Nice. This one's numbered 49 out of 199. There we go. I think you guys can see that. That iPhone 12 quote, beautiful quality. Zach Moss. Rookie numbered. That's sweet. We're getting a lot of numbered from these blasters. Seems like we saved the better half of our blasters for tonight. Emmitt Smith, fantasy flashback. 93. Week 18 with 38 points. We got rookies. AJ Epinesa. Justin Jefferson. Darrell Taylor. And Neville Gallimore for Dallas. All right. Couple base over there. All right, so last 3 blasters have given us a numbered card. And let's get this guy right there. Mr. Joey B, we're sorry, brother. I just wish you guys could catch the beautiful sparkle of those things on the camera. But when they ship to you, you'll see them in person. All right, 3 packs left. Let's try to end it with something else nice. We still are looking for that guaranteed mem or auto. Terry McLaurin. George Kittle. Juju Smith. Green AP for the Skins. Isaiah Simmons, rookie. Willie Gay Jr., rookie. Jeff Okuda, rookie. And CJ Henderson, rookie for the Jags. Okay. Two packs left. We got Deshaun Jackson, Teddy Bridgewater, Daniel Jones, Stargazing Zeke. Rookies are Kenneth Murray, Darrington Evans, Juwan Jennings, and Antonio Gibson, rookie. Hit both the receivers for Washington multiple times. All right, so we're ending it with a mem or an auto. I know what it is already, but I'll let you guys take your guesses at home. We got Le'Veon Bell, Phillip Rivers, and Jacob Eason. Regular mem. Oh, no, it's a rookie materials.
Nice card, though.
Rookie materials mem. Nick Chubb red zone. And we got Keyshawn Vaughn, DJ Dallas, Patrick Queen, Jake Fromm. All right, guys, so we're going to compile best pulls here. Show them off in a second. Just bear with us. We got a nice 5 in front of you, though. So just to say it again, guys, thank you for coming out. We are doing 10 Mosaic Hangers tomorrow, Friday, at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. And we'll be back Sunday with those 4 absolute mega boxes. If anyone tonight wants to roll through for some more chances at those rookie autos that are guaranteed. And 1 memorabilia, not or. All right. Scray, how we doing? Joe Burrow. Intros Jalen Hurts. Regular Jalen Hurts. Joe Burrow number 2. Jordan Love 1. 2 tags. Jalen Hurts. Jordan Love 2. Intros Jalen Hurts number 2. Brandon Ayuk. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Got a couple more here. Clyde number 2. 2 and number 2. And then those nice 3 numbered, but let's show off these patches first. Didn't we get another? Yeah, right.
It's Alex's.
Okay. We got Denzel Mims rookie materials. Jacob Eason rookie mats. Like this one. Justin Jefferson rookie force. J.K. Dobbins rookie force. Those are tough. And then Brian Edwards for Las Vegas. Not too bad on the mems. Still looking for those autos, though, but 3 from the last 3 blaster boxes, 1 in each. Frank Clark, numbered 83 out of 149. Frank Clark. Rookie Zach Moss, 49 out of 199, going out to Buffalo. That's a great one. And a nice Devontae Adams, beast receiver, 46 out of 149. So we will be back at it tomorrow night, guys, 7:30, cracking more Mosaic. Thanks, everyone, for coming out, and we will see you later.